Hello class 11th. Today I am going to continue with this chapter, that is chapter number 19, excretory products and their elimination. And now today's topic is dialysis. As you know, dialysis is also called artificial kidney. Okay. Dialysis when kidney of a person fail to function. Okay. Kidney of a person fail to function. ठीक है, जब किडनी हमारे काम नहीं करती किसी भी पर्सन की, एंड देयर ओन वेस्ट लाइक ब्लड यूरिया पॉइजन देम विद इन अ फ्यू डेज unless impurities of the blood are removed by other means. That is precisely what the machine known as artificial kidney. Artificial kidney, ठीक है. अगर उसकी बॉडी में कोई भी ब्लड यूरिया एक्यूमुलेट होती है, दैट इज पॉइजनस फॉर हिम और हर, दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन, तो उसके इस वेस्ट मटेरियल को बाहर निकालने के लिए मशीन हम यूज़ करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड artificial kidney. This device is used in cases of the kidney failure, giving the patient's own kidney a chance to heal and resume normal function. Many people whose kidney have been removed or destroyed have been kept alive for years by the artificial kidney. Removal of waste material and toxic substances and restoration of normal volume and composition of body fluid by means of an artificial kidney is called dialysis or hemolysis or hemodialysis or hemodialysis. Okay, what is dialysis or hemodialysis? Dialysis or hemodialysis, removal of waste materials. This is the definition. Removal of waste material and materials and toxic substances and restoration of normal volume and restoration of normal volume and composition of body fluid by means of artificial kidney is called dialysis. Okay, what is dialysis? Removal of the waste material and toxic substances and restoration of normal volume and composition of body fluid by means of artificial kidney is called dialysis. Okay, now in the process, blood is taken out from an artery of the patient, cooled at 0 degree centigrade, mixed with an anticoagulant. एंटीकोगुलेंट हम कौन सा यूज़ करते हैं? दैट इज हेपारिन. ओके, हम जो आर्टरी से ब्लड लेंगे पेशेंट का, उसको पहले कूल करेंगे और उसमें हम एक एंटीकोगुलेंट डालेंगे, दैट इज हेपारिन. हेपारिन क्या करेगा? ब्लड को क्लॉट होने से रोकेगा. Okay, and then pumped into the artificial kidney. In this machine, blood flows through channels or tube bounded by a cellophane membrane. The membrane is impermeable to macromolecule like plasma protein, but permeable to small molecules such as urea, uric acid, keratin and mineral ions. The membrane separates the blood flowing inside the channels from a dialysis fluid flowing outside the membrane. The patient is connected to a machine 2 to 3 times a week for 6 to 12 hours at a time. Microscopic waste particle like urea, uric acid and creatinine passes through the cellophane into the solution, and the purified blood is returned to the patient's body. In this way, the blood is cleared of considerable amount of waste product. Thereafter, the blood coming out from the machine is warmed to body temperature mixed with an anti-heparin. जब हम वापस डालेंगे तो नाउ वी ऐड एंटी-हेपारिन. ठीक, एंटी-हेपारिन क्या करेगा, उसको अंदर नॉर्मल फंक्शनिंग में लेके आ जाएगा, हेपारिन की एक्टिविटी को कम करेगा. दैट इज एंटी-हेपारिन. To restore its normal coagulability and return to a vein of the patient. Some hemodialysis machines are small and simple enough to be used at home, and the patient can even able to sleep during the process. There are serious drawbacks of hemodialysis. Drawbacks भी है इसका. Okay, what are the drawbacks? Hemodialysis, that is drawbacks. There are serious drawbacks of hemodialysis. Blood cell may be damaged. First one, blood cells damaged, which can be lead to bleeding problems. The slow rate at which the blood can be processed makes the treatment time consuming. प्रोसेस है एंड ब्लड सेल डिस्ट्रॉय होती है और डैमेज होती है. कॉन्टिन्यूअस एम्बुलेटरी पेरिटोनियल डायलिसिस इज मोर कन्वीनियंट एंड लेस time consuming for many patients because it can be done at home or while working. Uses the peritoneum as a dialysis membrane. Since the peritoneum is a selectively permeable membrane, it permits only two directional transfer of substances. The tip of catheter is placed in the patient peritoneal cavity and connected to the supply of dialyzer or dialysate flows into the cavity from its plastic container by gravity. When the process is complete, the solution is drained from the cavity into the plastic container and then it discarded. Okay, and the procedure takes about 24 to 48 hours and requires close medical supervision. Okay, understand it. Now next one, that is, and make a note on it, that is artificial kidney dialysis or hemodialysis. Okay, now next one, that is accessory excretory organ. Next one, that is excretory organs.